Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every human being simply because they are human. These rights are universal, inalienable and essential for a life of dignity. They are recognized globally through instruments like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and are also protected in national laws such as the Constitution of India. Human rights include civil and political rights like the right to life, liberty, equality and freedom of speech, as well as economic, social and cultural rights such as the right to education, health and work. Weaker sections of society refer to groups of people who are socially, economically or politically disadvantaged and therefore more vulnerable to exploitation and discrimination. In India, weaker sections include scheduled castes, SCs, scheduled tribes, STs, women, children, elderly persons, persons with disabilities and economically weaker sections. The Constitution provides special protection to these groups through provisions like equality before law, prohibition of discrimination and reservation policies. Directive principles also direct the state to promote the welfare of weaker sections and protect them from injustice. Various laws and schemes have been introduced to uplift these groups and ensure their human rights are protected. Terrorism is one of the biggest threats to human rights in modern times. It refers to the use of violence, fear and intimidation by individuals or groups to achieve political, religious or ideological goals. Terrorist acts such as bomb blasts, hijacking and attacks on civilians directly violate the most basic human rights, especially the right to life and security. Terrorism creates fear in society, disrupts peace and affects development. At the same time, measures taken by the state to control terrorism must also respect human rights. Excessive use of force, illegal detention or torture in the name of security can also violate human rights.